In this video, I'm going to show you how to order merchandise right from the Wolverinu merchandise website, step by step. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm going to order the hat and the hoodie step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, right below the video, I do have the link in the description, and you can decide which item you want to add. But I'm going to go ahead and add this hoodie and this hat. So I'm going to click on here, and this is what the hoodie, the hat looks like. And I'm going to either get red or black. So I've been thinking this red here, but I'm going to rock with this black one first. So I'm going to add to cart, and that's what it is right now. You see the hat right in my cart. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab this hoodie, which looks really good. So I'm going to add the red. I like that red. I'm going to get the red color, and I'm going to get large. I'm going to add to cart. So now I have a hoodie and a hat that costs $59. Now the next thing you want to do, this is set up on a PayPal. So you click on PayPal. Then you probably would have to log into your PayPal account. So you log into your PayPal account, which I've already did. And then from there, I will select whatever credit card I'm going to basically use because it's tied into that. So I'll click on there, continue. It'll have my address is already set up with it already. So then it goes here. And so now I can go ahead and place it. It's a $10 shipping. My address is actually, you can't see my address here, but then again, you do see everything else down here as well. So I'll click on place order, $69, $10 shipping, which is not bad, with a hat and a hoodie. And voila, let's see, it has been ordered. Just like that, it's been ordered because now it's nothing in my cart. So it has been ordered. So I just now got a notification that it has been ordered from PayPal. And that's how you order your merchandise from Wolverinu merchandise site. So click on the link below, select your merchandise. You may want to go through it. You know, I did think about getting the hat. I may go back and get like the baseball hat, but I think the next thing I'll probably get is this long sleeve. So I've been thinking about this. So I may get the long sleeves next time on here, but I am gonna rock this and this once it comes in. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. How to order merchandise from the Wolverinu.com merchandise website. Very simple and very easy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.